or the relative are dying, we used to collect some money. Okay, we used to collect some money and we used to buy something. It may be anything. Okay, we used to buy something and we used to give them to relieve them. Why don't we do it before they are dead, when they are alive? Okay, why don't we help each other to pursue his poor in money? Because of that, he cannot study further. That means you can collect money together and you can help him or her. Okay, before also bringing changes. Okay, you have to bring change. That is your responsibilities to bring change. The seeds are, some of the seeds are very small. Okay, it is very tiny, very small. But when bigger and bigger, after it becomes bigger, what does it do?